It's Stevie French, Cripmon's Killer, and I'm playing Need for Speed Undercover for the Wii, and this is my second set of cars. This is a different profile, because I beat the game like 7 times, but I deleted them to make new profiles. Well, this would be my 7th time beating it again, but you'll see. This is my Porsche Carrera GT. As you can see, I put the body kit on there. There's the rims. I think the height's lowered. No spoiler, because it would have looked retarded with that little lip right there on the back. The paint's like a candy red, I think. And these rims are ADR Adrenalines. Yeah, it's everything's maxed out on, I think. Or not, I'm not sure. I think I ran out of money. This is my 1969 Camaro. As you can see, I moved the vinyl to the hood. Usually I don't know. I'm not sure if it's usually there, but I might have moved it. Anyway, I changed the color to this like indecent gray. And the rims are different too. Nothing much. This is my Porsche Cayman S. And I think these rims are also ADR Adrenalines. The paint's like a candy red. The vinyl is like a white. And there's another vinyl, if you can see, it's black. I did all these designs myself. This is my favorite Lancer Evo Mitsubishi. Got a body kit, rims, and the vinyls. I think that's about it. Yep. Hope you enjoyed.